So this is the pure strand of happiness that you can get over here, and this place is just awesome, as the name it is. Welcome to Mandarmani. Last 29th of December 2021, just after returning from Ghatshila, we took a trip. It was quite unplanned because it was my father's client meeting and I also decided to go with him. So it was an unplanned trip to Mandarmani. Actually, we were heading towards Tajpur, and the things that happened to us next was a story that was meant to be told. So please keep on watching till the end and be safe than being sorry. This is like a warning to everyone, and be safe. So there is like this problem, and the problem is quite normal, and the car's front right tire has been punctured by some reason. Finally everything is ready and we are off now. Yeah, the radio is on. He changed the tires and now we are all ready to go, and that is that. We'll see you on the next. So we stopped at Kolkata and we had to change our tires. We are not having our breakfast because my mom already packed the breakfast for us. So we have to change the tire, and this is the tire changing shop. And there is a lad who claims that he can change the tires, and that is too in half an hour. So he said half an hour means he will take about 1 hour, and that is a loss of time. So just hope for the best. So the front window is open. I think it would have been better if that was closed. And I bought one Act 2 butter popcorn for like 25 rupees, and this one is like, there are many hotels in Kolkata, and for people of West Bengal যারা পশ্চিমবঙ্গে থাকো তারা জানো কোলাঘাটে কি, সবাই জানে কোলাঘাট is the most famous place. And there is like a restaurant, juice corners, and I saw this thing and I stopped and I thought I should record this place, but I don't know whether they will allow me or not. So this is like the Panchavati nursery. There is like a nursery, and it is written that kono gache hath deben na, do not touch the plants. So they are like pretty bonsais. Look at this bonsais and trees and plants. There's another bonsai of what plant, I don't know. Look at this aloe vera bonsai. Beautiful, huh? There are so many trees. Ashwatha, people, banyan. There are small banyans, oranges. There are many bonsais. Look at this one. Wow, these evergreens are beautiful. So this is like a very pretty and unique nursery, and it looks really nice. এবারে বেদনা করে দেয় কারণ আমি কিছু নিচ্ছি না, কিছু দেখছেও না। So that is that. Now I feel that I have been too pessimistic about this person, but he said and got our tires ready in just 15 minutes. He was fast, he worked hard, and he really did that. So it was like, wow, he's doing it fast. So he's already ready. Let me show you. He's just setting the tire in the car now. And we decided to move again. But in the meantime, the client called us, and his instructions were really very fishy. So we decided to be skeptic on these terms. Like, it's been long we are standing here, and the client just called my father. So my father and they are all drinking tea, and we are standing in the middle of nowhere near a city called Bajkul. And like, this is, I've never been, okay, so I've never been to such a client meeting where the resort owner actually, or any owner, told us to stand in a roadside tea stall. So this is something very new to every one of us, and we are a bit worried. Let's hope it turns out to be a good deal. And in the meantime, we all have together completed the butter popcorn, and it was really good. Not a paid promotion, by the way. So a few minutes back, a bike guy came without a number plate, and they said to take my father, and we are now standing and waiting in a petrol pump. So we like waited for 1.5 hours nearly, and everything was a hell lot fishy, that I will say you later today. And things didn't go as it seems to be. This is not appropriate way to call a person. We just decided to move on, and still the person didn't call us, and he sent us one of his guys in a motorbike with no number plates. And this seems dangerous, because that guy wanted to take my father, and we decided not to leave him alone, because the bike didn't have any number plates, and things seemed to be really fishy, because the guy was saying that only 1 or 2 person can go. So this is not how it works, and there are more, but let's just leave on those topics and enjoy the journey for today. Therefore, our destination changed from Tajpur to Mandarmani, just because Mandarmani was before Tajpur and it was closer to. So we pretty much decided to call off the day for Tajpur and turn left to Mandarmani. It's also a sea beach, a very beautiful place in West Bengal. If you come, then you can see this place is good, as I've heard. So let's see. So like, this is the place, and nothing to be talked about much. It's a beautiful thing happening. Keep on watching with me, and I guess you will like it. And yeah, I have to put on my mask because there are way lot of people here. There are like many stores, toy stores, shells, and made up of shankas or the shells, you know. And there are many things you can get here for kids: badges, earrings, lockets, tags and all. So I was waiting for looking at how the beach exactly looks like, and na dekhi. So people are like calling. There are so many people who will drag you to their personal hotels, and they get incentives out of that. This is quite normal. Look at this. Looks juicy. And this is the beach we were all talking about. So this is the Bay of Bengal, and the place looks stunning. That looks from the beach. So this is the sea, and can you hear this? We came here for working, client meetings, and we ended up in the sea beach. Damn, this place. So we are now standing here for eating the coconuts, and আমারটা শাঁসওয়ালা দিও একটা. There we go. This is the pure strand of happiness that you can get over here, and this place is just awesome, as the name it is. Welcome to Mandarmani. Well, there was nothing much to see here more than the sea, and we were not ready to be performing at our fullest because my shoes are already wet. I couldn't understand how far the wave will come, and my shoes and socks are wet, although I'll be going in my car, so that won't really matter. And now the thing is that we have to eat our lunch because that is the main reason why we came here, and by eating the lunch we mean something special, of course, if we get, obviously. And there are like certain news that are coming up for the past few weeks about not eating crabs in Mandarmani or Tajpur. That is solely because there are some certain poisonous crabs that have been mixed with the food in order to generate economy and more production. So those crabs unfortunately killed a 17 years old girl, and this was really unfortunate, and that is that. So certain unfortunate things here. Another thing is that the beach is dirty. People who often come here do not think themselves responsible for cleaning the beaches, and they just make the place dirty and leave it as it is for the sake of God. Irresponsible. Look at this, plastic pollutions everywhere, plastic pipes, whatnot, bottles. Look at this crab made up of shells. Well, if you now ask me how was the food, I would say this is the purest form of simple Bengali cuisine that one can ever have. After a tiring day, and so believed as they were frauds, maybe they are like lost to it. I will definitely say about these things later in this video after I get back to home. And there's like, it was a tiring day and a wonderful lunch. Thank you for the day. Thank you for everything. So we came walking here and we found a very beautiful place, temple. A beautiful specimen of artwork. This temple looks fairly new, but it's well decorated. I cannot show you inside because it is restricted. We'll show you the works itself. After visiting this temple, we decided to leave. Although the client meeting was unsuccessful, but the day was really successful for me. So if you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share among your friends. And let me know that you are keeping up with the bell notification icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you, take care, bye bye.